This stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home has upgraded appliances and tile flooring in all wood areas, providing durability and easy maintenance. Extra cabinetry has been added in the laundry room and office area for ample storage and functionality. The staircase is elegantly finished with beautiful wood, replacing carpet for a sleek and timeless look. The property also includes a 500-gallon propane tank, efficiently powering the fireplace, gas stove, and tankless water heater, ensuring comfort and convenience. Smart home technology has been thoughtfully integrated with features like a Ring doorbell, keyless front door lock, and motion sensor light switches in various areas, including the garage, laundry room, spare bathroom, and master closet. USB electrical outlets have been installed in the desk area and master bedroom, catering to modern charging needs, while additional outlets have been added throughout the home for extra convenience. The master bathroom includes a space-saving pocket door for added privacy. Nestled on the largest lot in the neighborhood, this home sits on a generous 3/4 acre lot that has been fully fenced, providing both privacy and space for outdoor